Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Nutella stuffed pancake. This also looks like Malaysian special cake which is Kui Bahulu. This is so spongy and delicious. Without further delay, let's get started. Take 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. We need 2 eggs for this cake, so I have separated the yolk as well as egg white. Mix the egg yolk and add in 40 grams of melted butter. Now add in 1 cup of milk. Add in 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want more sweetness means you can increase the quantity of sugar. Add in half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything using a wire whisk. The wet as well as dry ingredients are ready now. Add in the flour mix little by little and mix well. While folding in the flour mix, alternatively add in 1 cup of milk. So totally we have used 2 cups of milk. The cake batter is mixed well. I have whisked in 2 egg whites, so we'll be folding it into the cake batter. Add in the beaten egg whites into the cake batter. Gently fold in the egg whites. This egg whites give fluffy and sponginess to the cake. Do not overmix the cake batter once adding the egg whites. The cake batter is ready now. I'm going to prepare this cake in this beautiful mold. Heat the mold and coat it with sunflower oil. Grease the mold nicely so that the cake doesn't stick to the pan. Once the mold is hot, pour in the cake batter. Now pipe in the Nutella in the center of the cake. You can add any filling as per your wish. Cover the pancakes with the cake batter. Close it with the lid so that the pancakes cooks well. If you don't have this mold means you can use kulipaniyaram pan. So that pan will have small round shaped cavities. The pancakes are cooked perfectly. Remove the pancakes gently without breaking it. These Nutella stuffed pancakes should be consumed on the same day. The pancakes taste best when served hot. Look at the beauty of the Nutella stuffed pancake, friends. This is so soft and delicious. Do try this pancake and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.